Hello students, welcome to online school. We are going to sing the poem of Standard 2nd of Maharashtra State Board from the book My English Book 2. And the name of the poem is Birds Can Fly. So let's start. Birds can fly, up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. Now students, look, listen, repeat and enact. Look at the following words, listen and repeat after me. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Run, R-U-N, run. Hop, H-O-P, hop. Now you all sing the poem. And if you like the poem, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of further poem. Thank you.